Welcome to this introduction to technical analysis in cryptocurrencies trading. There are two main methods used to analyse financial assets and make investment decisions: technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis is the statistical analysis of a financial asset's price movements. It assumes markets are efficient and the price already reflects all publicly available information. Technical analysis attempts to understand the market sentiment behind price trends rather than analysing an asset's fundamental qualities and fair price. It presumes that the mass psychology of financial markets is predictable and patterns that repeat over time can be isolated in price charts. Technical analysts look at past trading data and what information this data might provide about future price movements. The three assumptions of technical analysis are: 1. The market discounts everything. 2. Price moves in trends. And 3. History tends to repeat itself. Technical analysts use a number of different chart patterns and indicators to try and spot price direction. The most fundamental technical concept is the price trend. Key to this is using support and resistance levels to forecast if a current trend will continue or is close to a reverse. Sometimes a trend can be very obviously moving in one direction, but in many cases there are many upwards and downwards price movements. There is still a longer-term trend, but volatility makes it harder to spot. Chart patterns such as double top, double bottom, and head and shoulders can suggest a price reversal is close. A double top pattern is when a price chart shows two roughly equal peaks with a moderate trough between them. These are often used together with technical indicators such as moving averages and the relative strength index of an asset's price data. Used in combination with fundamental analysis and keeping up to date with news, which has a particularly strong influence on the cryptocurrency market sentiment, technical analysis of cryptocurrency markets can be a valuable tool.